Here's a little poem about a useful word. I hope that you will like it. It's called Open by Big Bird. That's me. Open helps your dentist because your teeth are kept inside, and when she wants to see them, she says,
Okay, open wide. Oh, your teeth look just fine, Mr. Caps. I can see you've been brushing them every day. Oh, very good.
You also might say open when you talk about a can. Now it's Oscar's turn to help us. I hope he knows the plan. Oscar, you're supposed to open the can.
All right, already. Okay, it's open. Now go away.
You may come in, is what it means. When you see open on a door, it means we're doing business.
So welcome to the store.
Now you've heard my little poem about that fine word open. If it's taught you something new, I'm glad, 'cause that's what I was hoping.